Hey, AutoGPT enthusiasts. Today, I've got something groundbreaking to share with you. Imagine having your own AI clone, engaging with your audience 24/7, and even monetizing those interactions. Sounds fascinating, right? Well, today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to SecondSoul, a platform that lets you do just that. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to create your AI clone, but also how to turn those conversations into a revenue stream. So, let's dive into the world of SecondSoul. For those who are new here, I'm Manuin, your guide through the exciting realm of AI and automation on AutoGPT Tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and join our community of tech enthusiasts. We explore the latest tools, platforms, and techniques to make your journey in the world of AI both educational and enjoyable. Your support means the world to me. If you find value in today's content, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Now, let's embark on this SecondSoul adventure together. Ever dreamt of having an AI clone that chats with your community 24/7 and even brings in some extra bucks? Well, dream no more, because SecondSoul is here to make it a reality. SecondSoul is more than just a chatbot platform. It's your gateway to creating a virtual version of yourself that interacts seamlessly with your community. And the best part? You can monetize those interactions. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can bring your AI clone to life. First things first, head over to SecondSoul's official website, link in the description, and sign up. It's a breeze. You can use your email or log in with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on a sleek dashboard. Name your AI clone and we're off to the races. Dive into the fun part, shaping your AI's personality. From tone of voice to detailed chat examples, you have the power to make your clone uniquely yours. Train your AI clone on your preferences and style. The more it knows about you, the more authentic the interactions will be. Review the details, make any necessary edits, and when you're satisfied, hit that create button. Your AI clone is now ready to roll. Next, sharing with your community. Move to your account page and share your AI clone with your community. Copy the share link provided and distribute it to your audience. And your community members can now log in and engage with your AI clone 24/7. It's like having a constant virtual companion. Feel like tweaking your clone's details? No problem. Head to your account page, edit prompts, add examples, change details. It's all at your fingertips. Monetizing your clone. Wondering about the cash flow? Here's how it works. SecondSoul operates on a subscription-based model. Users can send 5 messages for free, after which they're prompted to subscribe to continue the conversation. As a creator, you receive a whopping 70% of the subscription fee each month. The remaining 30% is used to cover the AI services. So, there you have it. Your very own AI clone, bringing in engagement and revenue. Now, go ahead. Create your clone with SecondSoul and let the conversations begin. And there you have it, folks. Your AI clone is set to conquer the digital realm. Imagine the possibilities. If you're as excited as I am about the future of AI engagement, hit that like button, comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech adventures. Your journey with SecondSoul has just begun. Can't wait to see the incredible AIs you create. Until next time. Tech on.